The Libyan dinar, LYD, is the official currency of Libya. Libya, situated in North Africa, is a nation characterized by its rich history, diverse culture, and intricate economic landscape. One significant aspect of its economic infrastructure is its currency, the Libyan dinar. The Libyan dinar, LYD, is the official currency of Libya, denoted by the symbol dot or LD, and is issued and regulated by the Central Bank of Libya. Introduced in 1971, it replaced the previously used pound at a rate of 1 dinar to 1,000 pounds. The dinar is subdivided into 1,000 dirhams. The currency holds a crucial place in Libya's economy, acting as a means of exchange for goods and services within the country. It also plays a role in international trade, facilitating transactions with other nations. The dinar's stability and value are managed by the Central Bank of Libya, which aims to regulate its circulation and maintain its worth. Libya's economic history has seen fluctuations in its currency value due to various factors, including political instability and changes in global oil prices. Oil production has been a cornerstone of Libya's economy, contributing significantly to its GDP and government revenues. Therefore, fluctuations in oil prices on the global market can impact the value of the dinar and the country's overall economic stability. The Libyan dinar's value against other currencies, such as the US dollar or euro, has experienced volatility, influenced by both internal and external factors. Political unrest, civil conflicts, and disruptions in oil production have all contributed to economic challenges, affecting the currency's stability. Moreover, Libya's economy faced significant challenges following the 2011 revolution, which led to the overthrow of Muammar Gaddafi's regime. The aftermath of the revolution resulted in a period of instability, affecting various sectors, including the currency's stability and the overall economy. Efforts by the Libyan government and the central bank aim to bolster the dinar's value and stabilize the economy. These measures include economic reforms, diversification of revenue sources beyond oil, and initiatives to address political instability. Despite these challenges, the Libyan dinar remains the primary medium of exchange within the country. Efforts to strengthen its value and the overall economy continue to be pivotal for Libya's progress and financial stability. In conclusion, the Libyan dinar stands as the official currency of Libya, playing a crucial role in the nation's economic landscape. Its value and stability are subject to various internal and external factors, making it essential for the government and financial institutions to work towards ensuring its strength and reliability for the country's economic prosperity.